Hello all. Welcome to Studious Wanderer. This video is part of the series Exploring Warangal Fort. Warangal Fort is located in Warangal district, Telangana, India. It was the capital city of the Kakatiya dynasty and Musunuri Nakas. It appears to have existed since at least the 12th century, when it was the capital of the Kakatiyas. In this vlog, we explored the Kush Mahal. Kush Mahal is yet another must-visit place in Warangal that is known for its amazing grandeur that dates back to ancient times. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you do not miss our upcoming videos in this series exploring the Warangal Fort, Telangana's gateway of glory. Kush Mahal has been built within the walls of Warangal Fort, presenting an opportunity for tourists to club both the sightseeing place in one visit. Kush Mahal, withstanding the havoc of time, presents impressive architecture. It is said to be built during Tughlaq's reign in the 14th century. It is also considered to be built on the old palatial complex of Kakatiya's reign. Traces of Tughlaq's architectural style is still seen on this structure. Although the actual purpose of constructing this mahal is still unknown, many believe that it was built to serve as an audience hall. Kush Mahal, still standing impressively, represents the architectural excellence of medieval India. An audience hall, Kush Mahal's structure resembles the Divanayam of Tughlaqabad, which is also a public audience hall. One can also find architectural similarities between Kush Mahal and the tomb Ghiyat-ul-Din Tughlaq of Delhi. It is an audience hall with a huge chamber that is facing north. The chamber has an arch-shaped opening on all four sides. Earlier, this hall has a timber roof which is not seen now. One can see the style of Delhi's contemporary architecture in this structure, consisting of massive walls and northern orientation. There is also a staircase attached to the hall. One can reach the top of the building through a staircase and admire the captivating view of Warangal Fort and surrounding areas. Near the north entrance, idols that were excavated from the nearby areas are displayed. One can see broken remains of Jain temple and Swayambhu enclosure inside the Kush Mahal. Every block of stone has a statue inside it, and it is the task of the sculptor to discover it. The sculpture is a parable in 3 dimensions, a symbol of a spiritual experience, and a means of conveying truth by concentrating its essence into visible form. It must be the reflection of the artist who creates it and of the era in which he lives, not an echo or a memory of other days and other ways. See you soon with follow-up videos exploring more structures within Warangal Fort. Thank you all for watching this. If you like the video, do subscribe and share with your family and friends.